Are you looking for the best AliExpress mechanical keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best AliExpress mechanical keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, GK410. The design of the GK410 keyboard just screams made for gaming. Backlight supported translucent keys on a black metal panel look amazing in the dark and provide an outstanding typing experience. The general layout consists of 104 keys. Among them, F1 F10 keys are multifunctional and provide additional control options for multimedia settings. As for the backlight, it can be customized by using relevant key combinations. Keycaps are resistant to fading and scratches, meaning that you won't need to buy keyboard stickers. The keypad is designed in an ergonomic way to reduce the load on your hands and wrists. Keys are placed on high and low levels to create a golden angle. As for the reviews, some customers complain that the keyboard can slide on a table, so it is recommended to buy an anti-slip mat. Number 2, Sinhua Keyboard. A keyboard by SYNHWEI features a unique retro-ish design with a soft backlight and round keycaps. The case itself is thickened and leg supported to create a golden angle for increased comfort and reduced load on your hands. F1 F12 keys support multimedia functions, so even with the limited layout, you'll still get many control options. There are many designs available. On a side note, quite often they are characterized as feminine by customers, with pink, blue, white and purple key combinations, as well as various backlight settings. Customers say that the keyboard is indeed beautiful, but at the same time the device looks a little fragile, so it is advised not to drop it. Number 3, K68 by ZIYOULANG. The layout consists of 68 keys, while some customers consider it expensive at almost $70. The simplified design makes it a perfect choice for work and study. For power, the keypad uses two number 7 batteries, which can last for almost half a year, or even more, depending on use. For increased comfort, the keypad uses a golden angle layout, meaning that the keys are placed in line with finger trajectory. Such a design reduces the load on your hands and wrists, which is important for those who type a lot. As for customer impressions, among the 130 plus reviews, there are just a couple of 2-star marks with no specific reasons provided. Number 4, AIGO A100. The device is equipped with a 1200 mAh LiPo battery. Once fully charged for 2 hours, it provides around 90 days of autonomy. But even if you are not a big fan of wireless keyboards, you still can connect it via a 1.5 meters cable, switching the connection modes as you want. The layout consists of 100 fully hot swappable mechanical keys, which are pleasant to touch thanks to the unique PBT keycap texture. An additional bonus is a sophisticated design available in 2 color combinations, white, brown and black, orange. The keyboard is quick to respond to commands and key combinations, which are essential for gaming and work use. As for cons, some customers complained that the seller forgot to include a wireless receiver in the package, which made it impossible to switch between connection modes. Number 5, E-YOOSO Z686. For those who are looking for a slim and compact mechanical keyboard suitable for office use, the Z686 by E-YOOSO offers everything that one might need to type comfortably. It is not as cheap as other keyboards with more keys, but for a base price of $60-70, you'll get a 60% compact layout available in English, Russian and Portuguese languages. The device is extremely durable, as it features metal panels and legs for a better angle and steadiness on a table. The keys are hot swappable, meaning that you can customize the keyboard with your switches. And among 600 plus reviews, there are just a couple of complaints about non-configured keys. Number 6, MACHENIKE K500. A mechanical keyboard by MACHENIKE has over 5,000 orders and 1,000 plus reviews on AliExpress, which makes it one of the top-rated products on the market. With a price of $70-80, it offers a 90% layout, 94 keys, offer maximum access to all essential multimedia and gaming functions. To be more precise, there are 18 multifunctional keys for volume and video player settings. A hot swappable anti-ghosting design allows for easy key replacement. You can use most of the 3-pin mechanical switches available on the market. As for the default keys, they feature a PBT shot injection keycap and anti-fade design, ensuring that the marks won't get erased over time. And as any good gaming keypad, K500 has an impressive RGB backlight with 16.8 million LED colors, meaning that its customization is close to limitless. Number 7. Redragon Fizz K617. If you have been looking for the best mechanical keypad AliExpress has to offer, then look no more. Redragon Fizz is an undisputed bestseller with more than 10,000 orders and 2,000 plus positive reviews. For less than $80 you'll get a compact gaming keyboard with a full rollover of 61 keys and an adjustable RGB backlight. It's highly portable as well, since the device features a detachable cable for easier transportation or desk setup, and you'll enjoy clicking the soft and quiet mechanical switches, which are fully replaceable with other switches manufactured by Redragon. In addition, the keyboard is highly customizable, offering more than 20 backlight setups for your gaming sessions. Among lots of positive reviews, there are some complaints about wrong keys and the lack of certain functions, such as question and slash marks.